Hello everyone. In this simulation, we're going to investigate the microwaves, their sources, and their hazards. Let's move the slider over the electromagnetic spectrum and notice the wavelength. It's in the range of 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Now let's click the information button to know more about microwaves. Well, they come from microwave ovens and transmitters in mobile phones. We can detect them with an aerial. We use them in mobile phones and for heating substances because at the right frequency they make water molecules vibrate. However, they can be dangerous because prolonged exposure can cause cataracts in our eyes.